Hey parents of teen drivers, today's video is going to be a little bit more information that I need from you. So basically, whenever you join the group, you're asked a series of questions, and those are for a very important reason. I really want to know what makes you tick or what gets you happy or upset or whatever when it comes to putting your teen out on the road. I know it's a very emotional thing for a parent to let a teen take the keys to the car, pull out of the driveway, and go out on their own. And so basically, I need input from you all. I want to know, how does it make you feel whenever you let them drive away to school as opposed to going out with friends? Would you feel better if you were putting them in an Uber going to a party or having them drive themselves? These are the types of things that we need to know, because the goal of the group is to educate and empower. And we really want parents to be able to teach their kids. And that's why I'm giving all these facts and studies and information, because I want you to be able to talk to your kids and empower them so that you feel safer letting them go out on the roads. The goal of what we're trying to do here is not just have me regurgitate facts and information. I would love to hear from you and tell me, different, if it makes you mad, if it makes you sad, if it makes you anxious, or whatever it makes you to have your child, go off to school in the morning, or come home during rush hour traffic, or, drive after football practice, or whatever the case may be. Go with friends to spring break, whatever it is. I understand that, your biggest fears are having them get into an accident, potentially not come home, and just, getting pulled over and not saying the right things and not doing the right things. And so what we're trying to do here is give you as much information possible so that we can make you feel better about having your teen get out on our roadways. And so that's the goal of this group, and that's why I'm setting out to try and educate and put as much information out there. And I'm learning a lot in the process as well, and I'm excited to one day teach my kids about some of these things as well, a few more years before they drive. So it's just one of those things where I need some input back from the group, and I would really like some conversation to start on, what's going through your head and what are you feeling like? Because I think once the parents start to talk and start to comment, it can be a support group, and other people who are going through these same things can ask similar questions, and they can really help to empower you so that, if an instance comes up and you've talked to your kid about it already, they're going to be in much better shape than somebody else who hasn't been educating their children about what to do whenever they're out on the roads. Simple things like it's much more dangerous when you drive in the rain, or, different times of day that are more dangerous than others. Those could be the little differences that make it, that make it to where your kid comes home safe and somebody else's kid may not come home safe. So my name is Seth Smiley, and I'm with the Smiley Law Firm, and I created Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group for this specific mission. And I would really like to get some input and some feedback from everybody in the group if possible, and then we will try to create the content that will help you get to that powerful state where you feel good about sending your kids on the road.